top up your engine bay. This is Honda Jazz 2019 model. Basically, I'm going to show you how we going to top up your engine. Right, let's jump to the driver's seat. Right, this is your bonnet opener. Just pull. Right, your bonnet now open. This is for fuel cap open. I'm going to pull and have a look. Fuel cap open. Once you fill the fuel, make sure close this. That's it. Right, jump to the engine bay. There is another latch inside. Right, and put the stopper. Right, your hood on. Okay, this is your battery. If you're going to jump start, this is the positive, this is the negative. But don't going to mix up positive and negative. You ending with, think about me. Right, this is the air filter. It's very easy to change the air filter. You can open, 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 open. Then you can lift up and you can change the air filter. No need to go to the garage. We just done the oil change. This is the dipstick. Right, we need to wipe. Make sure when you're going to check our oil level, you park level surface like that. No need to tilt the vehicle up or downward. No, you get the wrong measurement. Right, wipe the dipstick nicely. This is the maximum level, this is the low level. In between you are fine. If it lower than here, not good. If it over than here, no good too. Right, remove, have a look, exactly spot on here. Right, when you're going to top up engine oil, make sure add little bit and leave it until go down. Install the dipstick, remove and check the oil level. If you add too much oil, you can't do anything. You have to go to the garage and sort out, ending with too much smoke. If you add little bit, give the time, put the dipstick, take out, check the level, you fine. When you're going to top up engine oil, add little bit, check the level, again little bit, check the level, you will be fine. Now you know how to check the oil level. This is the oil cap. If you want to top up oil, you can open and top up bit by bit, you will be fine. Right, you know this symbol? Screen washer. Right, I'm going to show you how we are going to top up. If you're in a UK, you have to use antifreeze screen washer. You know why? In the winter time, if you use water, water can be freeze. If it freeze, your motor seize up, then when you operate in motor, you can't get the screen washer to the screen. Because of that, I'm advised to you use antifreeze screen washer for the UK or very frozen countries. You can top up until neck level. Oh, this vehicle very thirsty. Right, you can come to the neck level. Right, make sure close properly. Next step, I'm going to show you how we are going to check the coolant of this car. First, you can open this one, but good practice to open inside this cap. But before that, if the car cool, open, otherwise read this warning. You can see this warning. If it hot, not to open this one, because if you open, you ending with burn your hands, face, careful. Right, make sure coolant there. Right, this vehicle has a green color coolant. Right, basically when you are going to top up coolant, use always green color coolant. Don't going to mix up with the colors, because in the market you can see pink color or red color coolant, green color coolant, blue color coolant. There is a universal coolant. No, any color is like a see-through. Basically, it's like a water. That one you can mix up with the any color of the coolant, but especially don't going to mix up blue and green. Some people say, ah, blue and green not much different, tiny different, but different chemical. Be careful if you mix up the coolant color. It's not good for inside O-ring, rubber hose, everything, because each other chemical react, and after that ending with leaking. Be careful. Right. Okay, now I'll show you another tip how we going to check the coolant level of this car, because it's very hard, right? You can see here, this is the maximum mark and this is the lower mark. At the moment, coolant spot on. This car doesn't need coolant top up. If you not sure how to check your coolant level, you have to use like this torch, and you can see from outside where's the coolant level. You can see now, you can find out your coolant level easily. Use like this light. Okay, make sure after top up install this lid. Right, yeah, if you need a green color coolant, this is the green color coolant. This is your brake fluid reservoir. If you want to top up, check your brake pads, because sometime if your brake pad low, if it's time to change your brake pad, this one can be low, otherwise somewhere leak, otherwise it shouldn't low. Also this one has a, you can see here, this is the minimum level, this is the maximum level. If you're not sure what's the level, you can shake the bottle, you can shake like that and have a look. If it not, same theory like a coolant, you can put the light here and have a look what's the level. But this one too much brake fluid, I had to remove the brake fluid because this is the maximum level, but we can't put to the neck level, because if you add to the neck level, we need a leave space for the pressurize. This one not good. Someone fill until broom like this. This one you can top up until for the neck level, but brake fluid shouldn't do, because if vehicle has a low and maximum levels, you need to be in between there. Right, now you know how to check the brake fluid. If you ask me how to check the power steering fluid, this one doesn't have a hydraulic power steering, this one has a electric power steering. Basically it's controlled with the electric power, positive, negative. There is a motor, it's spinning. No worry about the oil level for the power steering, right? Okay, and some people ask how we going to check the gearbox oil. Basically this gearbox, automatic gearbox, there is a no any dipstick for the this gearbox. You can see, can you see this nut? What you have to do, you have to unplug bottom nut first, and you can drain. After that install bottom nut, then after that you can open the top nut. Make sure vehicle park in a level surface, and you can top up the correct grade of the oil. But it's bit hard to do at the home, better to contact your local garage, they will help you. Right, basically no need to check power steering fluid, no need to check gear oil, because gear oil also shouldn't drop down because it's seal type, but certain mileage dealers recommended which time you want to do the service for the gearbox, follow their guidelines. And also when you're going to top up engine oil, make sure use correct grade of engine oil, otherwise you ending with unnecessary problem. Could be your timing chain stage, could be inside lubricant not enough, sometimes grinding each other metal bits and wear and tear quicker. Be careful. If you're not sure which grade of oil, contact your local parts supplier. If you not, contact your main dealer, they will give the correct part number, correct oil. Then always use the correct oil for your car, because latest cars you can't mix up with the this oil and that oil. You can't decide the which oil your car needed. You have to contact your local part supplier, right? And also engine bay, I think all done. You know how to check your tires. This bit interesting. What is this rubber bits? Just chuck it out and ignore. Is it? No. You know what is this? If you see something like that, this one could be came out from your wiper blades. Okay, I'm going to close the bonnet now. Now you know how to top up your engine bay. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please mention below. Also, if you need to join with us, our WhatsApp group, link below, you can click this link and join to our group. Right, now I'm going to close the bonnet. Right, now we talk, don't ignore this one, right? Yeah, I'm going to lift up this wiper. Have a look. Hanging, yeah, right. This wiper not good, it's time to change. And also we'll see this wiper. What happened? Where's that rubber blade? It came out, yeah. This is exactly the came out from there, right? Basically this both wipers not good, we need to change it. If you want to know how am I going to change this wiper blade, there is a link and the bottom, whatever, click and have a look, because I had to wait until parts come to show you how we're going to change. I'll do another video for the changing wiper blades, because this vehicle has a hybrid, or this is expensive wiper blades, latest specs. This is legal requirement. If you use your car like this, rainy period, you can see the scratch mark in the windscreen. You can't see outside clearly. If you can't see outside, could be your front car stop, you can't see because your wiper not clear properly, ending with boom. Don't ignore like this simple things. It will affected to your life. Sometimes it will affected to your passengers. Sometimes your kids might be inside. Be careful. Don't ignore this one. Take a serious, because I know it's a smaller thing. Oh, some people say no. This is legal requirement, and this is life threat. Careful if you not do it properly. I'll leave it with you. Comment below if you have any experience like that. If you facing so like this, get your trouble, comment below. Then it's very helpful for the other viewers. Nice one. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to top up your car. Then see you with the wiper change video. Not wiper change, basically wiper blades.